And once again, these do not have to be tightened to the moon, just hand tight, and then take your ratchet and your wrench or whatever oil filter wrench you have, and maybe a quarter turn, a half turn, and that's it. You don't need to tighten it anymore. If you have one of these rubber ones like this, it slips a little bit, but it'll only go tightening it. Just make sure you have this towards the way you're tightening it so it pushes on the filter. If you have it this way, you're trying to tighten it, it won't do anything. Now, I know I said a quarter turn and a half turn, it looked like I just turned it a million times there. I didn't, it's just because this slips a little bit as you're turning it, so it doesn't turn as much as I was turning it.